If you recently transferred photos from your iPhone to your Mac and suddenly discovered you can't open HEIC on Mac, you can check this video. This video will explain the reasons in detail and provide several simple and effective solutions to help you view HEIC files without any issues. Part 1. Why is my Mac not opening HEIC files? If your Mac can't open HEIC files, it could be due to one of the following reasons. Outdated system version. macOS Sierra or earlier versions do not natively support HEIC. Preview app issues. Compatibility problems with the system's preview tool or Photos app. File corruption. The HEIC file may have been corrupted during transfer, causing it to be unreadable. Third-party app conflicts. An incompatible image viewer or plugin could be interfering with the system's default settings. Missing HEIC extension or decoding components. Some older systems may not have the HEIC support library pre-installed. Part 2. How to open HEIC on Mac properly. If your macOS version supports HEIC, opening the HEIC files on the Mac should be simple. You can use Apple's built-in tools, like the Photos or Preview app, to open and even convert HEIC images effortlessly. Open HEIC on Mac with the Photos app. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your Mac. Step 2. Click File from the top menu and choose Import. Step 3. Browse and select your HEIC images. Step 4. Click Import again to add them to your Photos library. Step 5. Double-click any image to view it in full size. Open HEIC on Mac with the Preview app. Step 1. Locate your HEIC image in Finder. Step 2. Right-click the file and select Open with Preview. Step 3. The image will open instantly in Preview. Step 4. To convert it, go to File Export and choose JPG or N as the output format. Part 3. How to fix can't open HEIC on Mac. If you still can't open HEIC on Mac, even after trying Photos or Preview, you can try the solutions below to fix it. Fix 1. Update macOS version. Step 1. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Step 2. Select System Settings General Software Update. Step 3. Wait while your Mac checks for updates. Step 4. If an update is available, click Update Now or Upgrade Now. Step 5. Once updated, restart your Mac and try opening the HEIC files again. Fix 2. Convert HEIC to JPG on Mac. If you already have a large number of HEIC photos that you can't open on a Mac, converting them to JPG or N is the fastest and safest solution. Coolmuster HEIC Converter is a professional tool designed to handle this task efficiently, supporting both macOS and Windows. Step 1. Download and install this HEIC to JPG converter on your Mac. To import photos, click the Add HEIC button or simply drag and drop your HEIC files into the program. Step 2. Once you've imported the HEIC photos, check the boxes next to the images you want to convert. Choose JPG, JPEG, or N as the output format. You can also select the Keep EXIF data option and choose your desired output folder. Step 3. Click the Convert button to begin the process. Once the conversion is complete, click Show in Finder to access your newly converted JPG files, ready to view on your Mac. Part 4. How to disable HEIC format on iPhone. If you don't want to encounter the issue of not being able to open HEIC files again, you can set your iPhone to save photos in the more compatible JPG format instead. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Camera Formats. Step 3. Under Camera Capture, choose Most Compatible. After this change, all newly taken photos will be saved as JPEGs instead of HEICs.